How to get the watch and earn option on TikTok. If you are trying to get the watch and earn option, the first thing you have to do is simply head over to your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you could just simply go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, you could tap on the three lines at the top right. Then head over to TikTok Studio. And here, as you can see, under monetization tool, you could tap on view all and see if the watch and earn option is available to you. If it is not, then what you need to do is head over to profile first, settings, and then click on account privacy. Now, you just need to make sure that your account is not private, because if you have a private account, the watch and earn option will not be available to you. Now, from here, you can just scroll down until you find support. Now on the support, click on Help Center. And here you can just search for monetization tools or watch and earn option. Tap on the search bar and search for monetization tool. And once you have searched for it, you could also search for something like watch and earn. And once you've done that, you can see if there are any viable results for it. But if you don't see it, then you're going to have to simply go ahead and go back. And you have to head back to report a problem. Click on report a problem and scroll down all the way to submit a report. Now you're going to briefly explain that the watch and earn option is not available for your account, even though you have all of the right conditions, and TikTok will contact you back within a few days. You just need to wait for a bit and follow their instruction to get that option. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.